So what we have here is hopefully the start of a rocket. So bottle, I've got a pump here, I'm going to fill a bit with water, and then what I'm holding in my hand here is a cork with like a bike valve pushed all the way through it. So then essentially you don't need the lid. I'll push that into the lid like that, sit that upside down, attach the valve to the pump, and just keep pumping until it builds enough pressure to burst out, hopefully launching a rocket. Hopefully. This is one of many designs that I kind of came up with, also inspired by a few things I've seen online, I should say. I'd also like to thank Clayton Thompson, he's behind the camera. Yeah, thank him for coming out today to help film this, which is really awesome. Hopefully it works. You're filming, yeah? Yeah, sweet. Alright, so we've got a $800 high-speed camera here. It's just my phone. It's nothing super special. I'm unsure exactly on the speed that it records at. It's somewhere around 200 frames a second, I think. That's at 720p, so nothing super special either, but it'll have to do. And I think we're ready to maybe give this a test. That won't hit me, yeah?
Yeah, you'll get wet.
That doesn't matter. It's really horrible using your foot. I'm not gonna use my foot. That worked way better than I thought now. Wow. How high do you reckon that went? Like, you still rolling?
Yeah.
Yeah? So I'm guessing. I'll have to review the footage and do a quick calculation on how high that went. That was at least 15 meters, yeah?
Yeah, 100%.
Like,
probably taller than a light pole.
50 feet, I think, is 15 meters. Roughly 50, yeah. That was awesome. $16 meters away, up about 15, away about 16, roughly. It's pretty good. I'm going to try that again though.
Do you reckon having different levels of water will affect how far it goes?
I reckon more water the lower it'll go.
Because the less pressure it can build?
Look, if I'm being honest, I'm not 100% sure what the water is for. I've just seen it in like every model I've seen on the internet, and so I just use it. But like, I reckon if there's more water, more weight to dump, you know, it might not go quite as high. But if I push this in further, build up more pressure, it might go higher. It's good when doing this using like I've got sparkling water here, using like Coke bottles or other kind of like carbonated fizzy drink bottles, because those bottles are designed for pressure. and so you're not going to have a bottle exploding on you before it launches.
It blew the lid off with it.
Yeah, the lid blew off too. Lid. Did you track that?
Yeah, I did.
Follow it?
Yeah, I did.
Awesome. This is really good. This works. This is working way better than I thought. Wow. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, I'm going to give a big thanks to Clayton for filming this. His links are in the description if you want to check that out. And also, if you do think that I've earned it, please consider subscribing. But until then, I'll see you next time.